Hello everyone, this is Renu Mahajan and I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to be making eggplant, a curried Indian eggplant in my instant pot. Eggplant is a great source of mineral and vitamins. It has vitamin B6, vitamin C and K. It helps with the digestion. It improves your heart health because it is full of fiber, which reduces cholesterol. They say it prevents cancer because it has natural antioxidants. There's a natural colored compound in the eggplant which is great for your bone health. Eggplant has phytonutrients which are great for your brain health because it increases the blood flow in all the parts of your body, and it increases the memory also. So guys, let's make curried eggplant in the instant pot. It takes no time to have a wonderful, flavorful curried eggplant Indian style in the instant pot. Let's do it. For this curried eggplant recipe, I'm going to be using one regular size eggplant and one medium sized onion, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, and also half a stem of the ginger. And as you can see, this is how you will be cutting them, just in big cubes. And then I'm just going to wash it in cold water and then prep the onions, and I'm going to just dice them finely and keep it aside. I really have no idea how the chefs do their chopping and dicing and whatever. This is how I cut my onions, as you can see. And you will need a little bit of cilantro as well. A medium-sized tomato which is just chopped. And these are all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. And I will have this recipe at the bottom so you can check what all the ingredients you will be needing. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so now, and also press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. So on the instant pot, I will be using the saute setting like that, and once it is hot enough, I'm just going to add the oil, and it is 3 tablespoons of oil. And 1 tablespoon of the cumin seeds, and I will let it splutter and then add ginger and garlic, crushed ginger and garlic. I will also add the onions at this point. And just saute the onions until they are translucent and a little bit of brown. Add the tomatoes. I will also be using about 3 tablespoons full of the pureed tomatoes, just to bring out the color in my dish. And I'm going to be using salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a little bit of red chili powder, spoonful of coriander powder, and half a teaspoonful of the allspice powder. Just mix it all up, and then Just add your washed and prepared eggplant. Give it a stir. And to make it cook faster, I'm going to add 1 cup full of water. And that's it. And I'm going to put my lid on and pressure cook it for about 4 minutes. Just make sure when you're putting the lid on that it is on sealing, and leave it there for 4 minutes, and then just let it vent out before you come back. I let it stay for about 8 minutes, and I have vented it out, and look at that, our eggplant is ready. Just add coriander to garnish it and dish it out. Serve it hot with roti or chapati or bread or whatever you want to use. And believe me, it's going to be delicious with any of the accompaniments that you want to use with this curried eggplant. So, how did you like this recipe? Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so now. And I'll see you next time with another wonderful recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye for now.